P's, and there was a
Who is
process,
speaking?
ma'am.
Who is speaking? Masrura?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Masrura will get better mark in exams because she's the one who's speaking. Okay. You people did not open your mouth. So, okay, Masrura, tell me what it is. What did we see in our last class?
You discussed about the 7 P's,
Yeah. So, if you
like
give brief about what are the 7 P's, just name mention kar do, enough hai. Tell me the names. That's it.
the product,
Yeah.
pricing, place, promotion,
Yeah.
people, process, and physical evidence.
And physical evidence. People, process, and physical evidence are basically added in case of services, right? So product may rest others can be used, and people, process, and physical evidence are
Product,
basically added for the services, isn't it?
services. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Rest of you, do you people have any comment? Rest of you.
Ma'am, you also discuss about the characters.
Yeah, characters में क्या मतलब क्या था? Brief understanding, if you remember anything. There is no need of telling
Yeah,
whatever I have said, but whatever you have understood, that can be like you can just say.
and it's like perishability,
Yeah, yeah.
then
Perishability.
variability,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
ownership,
yeah. And
and
inseparability, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So those were characteristics of services. And anyone else want to comment anything? Anyone else?
Ma'am, we have learned about the definition and explanation of product market and service marketing.
Okay, all right. So these were the brief things which we have discussed in the last class. Now we will be discussing about healthcare product and services and public relations. Okay, in this module, basically we will see how the concept of healthcare as a service, it is there in the market. Okay, what are the concepts and marketing of healthcare services, and how we are actually marketing this particular service, hospital services, in the market. And we'll be seeing product mix, promotion mix, and price mix and place mix. In this we also would be covering little part of health insurance and TPA. Okay, that will not be a very vast review, because this in this particular one you would be only understanding ki healthcare insurance, how important it is, how we are what is that, how we are actually marketing the healthcare insurance services. For example, डाउनटाउन हॉस्पिटल में क्या क्या इंश्योरेंस सर्विसेज थे, और वो कौन सा एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, एंड व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स दे गिव टू द पेशेंट. The each and everything, how we are marketing, that we are going to see. Basically marketing concept of it we are going to see. And distribution channels, what are the distribution channels we are using, and pharmaceutical distribution system, that is actually in the sense, like, just to give a brief understanding, you would be seeing this pharmaceutical one in a brief way when you see what is that, um, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. ओके, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस में मेडिकल डिवाइस भी आएगा और आपका फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री भी आएगा. ठीक है. रोल ऑफ डॉक्टर्स इन मार्केटिंग ऑफ हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज, राइट? So basically we have some vital people in our organization. In our organization, when I say, you have to consider it's a hospital, because we basically talk about hospital. But we also have to expand it to the healthcare, other organization, other healthcare organization, which is health IT companies, consultancies, and pharmaceutical companies. But at this point of time we are discussing about hospital. Now, uh, let's just start. So, concept of healthcare as a service. Let me just read this one and then make you understand what it is trying to say. Okay. Healthcare marketing, in its simplest term, refers to the use of marketing strategies for purposes of protecting and improving the population's health by promoting health information and treatment options. Right. So basically, it is a service that is marketed for the people, for their betterment, right? To improve their health, to do prevention, to do preventions from different diseases. We market this service. Okay, so it involves creating, communicating, and delivering message for the public on prevention, health promotions, and health protection. That's what I explained. Okay. So to actually market a hospital, what basic things we have to do? Okay, as a hospital administrator, or if you are posted as a marketing manager in hospital, now you have to picturize the moment of that conversation which happened between the marketing team of downtown hospital and downtown hospital and you people, right? So there was a discussion, right? So you have to picture yourself whatever the
Yes,
things
ma'am.
we have mentioned, and whoever, everyone has got understanding, क्योंकि कुछ लोग गए थे मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट में, बट बाकी लोगों को अंडरस्टैंडिंग मिली थी कि मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट के लोगों ने क्या बोला था, ठीक है? नाउ लेट्स जस्ट सी व्हाट दे हैव सेड, एंड और क्या क्या चीजें हम लोग को नहीं बोला गया, जो कि अभी अभी हमें समझना है, ठीक है? Now, to market a hospital, first thing is that we need a website. Okay, so website में क्या क्या होता है? Can you tell me, people? Can you just tell me? Like, I will tell about website and everything of a particular hospital, and then I will also tell why it is needed, and what are the information thing, now whatever informational thing which has to be there in a website. You tell me why website is actually needed. Till the time you say something, I'm gonna find out one website for you so that you can see, and just मतलब यही क्लासेस के बीच में आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग मिल जाए, ठीक है? टेल मी व्हाई इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
Ma'am, website is important to know about the hospital, like whatever the services they used to provide and whatever the doctors available in the hospital, like this, and like the diagnostic services, whatever they used to provide for the patient. Everything is in the website.
Okay, Noor Nahar is the one who told all these things. What about other people? Open your mouth, no? क्या
मैम
बोलते हैं?
एक होता बेसिक
यही बोलने वाला था मैम, इसलिए।
Manirul, tell me. You are guys has to be what to say, much more, interested in these things. HMIs में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट होते हैं लड़कों का, और फिर क्या बोलते हैं, ये मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट में, फिर what is that, in the developing of website, giving informations in website, social media marketing, इनमें आप लड़के ज़्यादा एक्सपर्ट होते हैं. तो जस्ट आई वांट एन ओपिनियन फ्रॉम अ गाइस पर्सपेक्टिव. आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या क्या होना चाहिए?
मैम, हेलो।
या टेल मी, आई एम लिसनिंग.
मैम, इन वेबसाइट
बोलो बोलो.
actually ma'am, in as you told that they can if you अगर आप किसी हॉस्पिटल में कुछ ट्रीटमेंट के लिए जा रहे हो, तो आप फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप वेबसाइट चेक करेंगे कि उस पे ये सर्विस अवेलेबल है कि नहीं.
First thing what we do is we check the website whether whatever services we are going to acquire, whether that service is there or not, right? In that particular hospital, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
सोच लो मैं आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ऑफ कोई ऑर्थो प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है। सो आई डोंट नो कि गुवाहाटी में कौन सा हॉस्पिटल एक्चुअली एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी ऑर्थो केयर दे रहा है, ठीक है। आई डोंट रियली नो। नाउ I have to go and search in my website saying that what are the best care available for ortho patients in Guwahati, right? So whoever now like whatever hospital is coming on front, आप मतलब SEO करोगे, सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन करोगे, तो दैट हॉस्पिटल इज गोइंग टू कम ऑन द टॉप, and we are going to see that what kind of ortho services are given by this particular hospital, ठीक है। and then we are going to book the appointment and get the services, okay। now for for that a person who is acquiring the services, everything in the everything in the website should be needed, and also the interface of a website should be very much what easy, है ना, very much easy। now let me like this is the, can you see the screen, दिख रहा है, स्क्रीन दिख रहा है आप लोगों को?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is
दिख रहा है।
Apollo Hospital's clinic. No, sorry, this is Apollo Hospital's website. Now, over here, what are the components there which we have to see? We have to keep in our mind. Okay, आप लोग एग्जाम्स में भी लिखोगे तो ये वेबसाइट अभी देख लिया आप लोगों ने, और एकदम याद आ जाएगा, that you will just remember then and there, okay? Because if you don't see, you don't remember. If you see, you can picturize in your exams. There is no need, you should not be एकदम accurately write, whatever you have seen you can write down। so यहाँ पे क्या है, patient care, center of excellence, procedures, international patients, academic and research, hospital, how many hospitals are there for them, that is mentioned, contact information and corporates, okay। so और नीचे आप लोगों को लिखा ना, नीचे आपका सर्विसेज है क्लिनिक्स, ओके, एंड देन स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल्स and the pharmacy directory, and ask Apollo if you want to ask, and if they like, you can just have a chatbot over here who would be always available to answer your queries। treatment in the India, for example, you need what is that, air ambulance, that also can be arranged, they have some third party tie up who would be arranging each and everything for their hospital, right? so ये इसका थर्ड पार्टी है क्रेडी हेल्थ बोल के। क्रेडी हेल्थ इज organization who arranges each and everything for a patient who is coming from outside, like दिल्ली दिल्ली इंद्रप्रस्थ अपोलो जाना है और आपको आसाम से जाना है, they would be arranging each and everything until the patients get admitted and get settled down in the hospital, and until the patient discharges from the hospital। next is Proton Cancer Center, this is the unique services they are giving, okay, so they are highlighting it here, health blogs and wellness, these two are becoming very much important in a website nowadays, that ये कंसेप्ट एक्चुअली आया है मायो क्लिनिक के वेबसाइट से, ठीक है। मायो क्लिनिक, इफ यू सी गो टुडे, व्हाट यू आर गोना डू इज, आई एम गोइंग टू share one article on Mayo Clinic and how they have actually evolved, that you have to study to understand healthcare in a better way. You have to go and see that thing, everything is so advanced in Mayo Clinic website, that and also the articles whatever they have published, you will understand how they have evolved healthcare system, okay, and the delivery system of healthcare, and health blog and the wellness, both of the things, these are the articles they have written, the Apollo people, they are also giving what is that, health education to the population by keeping these things in their वेबसाइट पोर्टल, ओके। नाउ ये आपने देख लिया, ये आप लोगों का अपोलो का है। we will also see some other hospitals one। now center of excellence मतलब आपका जितना भी services है, okay, whatever services you need heart, right, click now, you can just click it here and you would be going to the uh, like whatever heart like the heart institute, whatever facility is there, a treatment is there, and the team who is taking care of the what is that, heart especially what is that, the consultant and the, if you click it, clinical team, you will get to know what are the teams who is handling this. So the cardiologist and the cardiothoracic surgeon and all, each and everything is listed over here. If you want to know more about them, you can just click to know more and you get the information. Got it? So everything is so sorted in this in this website. You get everything on your click. You no need to have anything, but just click information and get it. So let's see who's, and tell me one worst hospital जिसका website देख सकते हैं. I am not saying worst, but then their standard is lesser than the Apollo. Tell me one less standard hospital जिसका हम लोग देख सकते हैं.
Narayana.
नारायणा क्यों? नारायणा इज लेस, क्या बोलते हैं उससे, अपोलो से कम है. ये किसने बोल दिया आपको?
मैम आर्या हॉस्पिटल.
मैम डाउनटाउन ही तो है।
Don't say like that.
मैम आर्या हॉस्पिटल.
Okay, Arya Hospital.
KGMLD.
Is it? It's in where?
कल का भी मैम सर्विसेज कम है.
कहाँ पे है ये आर्या हॉस्पिटल? गुवाहाटी.
यस मैम.
मैम गुवाहाटी.
Okay, so let me just go to their website. ठीक है. Do you think their hospital is very much, what to say, interesting than the hospital which you have seen? अरे ये कैसे लेस स्टैंडर्ड हो गया बेटा? ये देखो, this is NABH accredited hospital and also they have the almost recent वाला ISO certification नहीं है, उससे पहले वाला ISO certification है. But yes, you can see some of the like, see in the hospital photo the
Ma'am.
clothes are hanged, right? See that?
अपोलो से नीचे है.
हाँ, अपोलो से नीचे है, but then let's but it's not less standard or something like that. But yes, there are some of the things we can find out in this, or in this website. यहाँ पे देखो, in the photo of this particular hospital, clothes are hanged. Do you think that when you are taking an what to say, photo for your website, you should have to put a little bit of attention while taking a photo? See once. Did you see?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Right?
Yes. Yes ma'am.
So this is not a professional way. Okay. And also they are not providing health education. You see the website. Right? Isn't it?
Yes ma'am.
They are not providing any kind of health education to the people if they want to get information. For a patient like me, I would be always interested in health education. अगर उनके वेबसाइट में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मिल रहा है, I would be happy. I'm getting some information regarding cancer, I'll be happy, right? So it is not there in this organization, in this website. See that there is no chatbot. You have your one particular place where you can book the appointment. Got it? You can book the appointment. That's it. Nothing else is there. Over here, now you see Apollo's one, how systematic it is. Right? Find a doctor. I think the net is gone. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So the net is
Yes, ma'am,
not
we
really
hear you.
good. So I cannot go to the information. Basically, if I want to book quickly, there is a chatbot option who can help me booking the appointment for me. Okay. And Apollo Hospital is also listed in the in other what to say, some of the what is that, हेल्थ आईटी कंपनीज बुक्स अपॉइंटमेंट्स फॉर द हॉस्पिटल, ठीक है, वो भी अपोलो के साथ टाई अप है. इफ यू वांट टू बुक सम लाइक प्रैक्टो से या फिर कहीं से बुक करना चाहते हो तो आप you can book for some particular hospital also. Okay, so these are the unique thing which these people are having and other people are not having. Okay, you can select the city and search doctor. If you know the name of the doctor, select the hospital in which Apollo hospital you want to book. Okay, so everything is so well organized in this website. Now it is just to give an brief understanding how the website actually has to be. Okay, so let's just go and see what it is there in our ppt. So get a responsive website. Most potential patients will try to go through the website until and unless it is an emergency and find out as much about your hospital as possible online. So I am in emergency. Will I go to website? For example, some patient of my like my relative got some bleeding. Will I go for website visiting first?
No, ma'am.
So during that time, directly you were going to go whichever nearest hospital is there. Okay. Now,
Yes.
you have to understand that the person. You have to understand patient profile. For example, patient would be having some emergency at that point of time. He or she would not be considering going to the website and getting information and admitting the patient to the hospital. So according to the emergency, you're booking the appointment. Now a person who is not in a need of emergency, you'll be seeing the quality of the hospital, you'll be seeing the website of the hospital, and what are the previous, I mean, like milestone they have achieved in that particular service. You'd be inquiring from people also that last time you went to the
And
hospital and hello, did
and
anyone,
ratings also.
sorry,
Ratings
yeah, rating,
feedback.
yeah, rating also you see. And you ask your relatives or your friends who have visited the hospital and certain doctor, you'd be asking that whether the treatment helped him or not, right? So all this information you'll be acquiring, and that is why an website is very much important for marketing a service. Okay, so so don't just build a website that displays information about your hospital and your team, but focus on giving patient useful health information to take better care to themselves and their family members. Now that is what I was telling. Okay, that is what I was telling. You just don't make a website. We just don't make a website of whatever services you are having in your organization, but you also have to give some external information to the patient, so that actually increases the customer base. Okay, now customer base मतलब क्या है, मतलब आप एक पेशेंट लेके आ रहे हो हॉस्पिटल में, one patient is coming to your hospital, but you're getting treatment along with some other what is that, services, then you'd be more interested to repeat and go to the same hospital again. यहाँ पे जो हेल्थ ब्लॉग है वहां से मुझे डेफिनेटली आई विल गेट सम इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, विच इज रियली important for me, and it is giving some insight to me. So that is actually helping a person, right? Yeah, it is giving some information to me and I'm accepting. Okay, so I got this information from Apollo's website. So basically you're trusting that particular brand. That is what you do when you give education, health education to the people. So good idea would be to talk about preventive care. Yes, most of the time treatment. Abhi dekho, in Mayo Clinics, this one article you'll be reading why we should not talk about disease which is being progressing, and हम लोग उसका treatment नहीं लिखेंगे, and वो what that person is suffering, like suffering इतना आप ज़्यादा extensive way में नहीं लिखोगे, because for example you wrote an article about cancer patient, okay, so you are writing about the suffering of that patient, and you forgot that you have to be little bit empathetic about the person who is reading about it. Now कैंसर का आर्टिकल अ पर्सन कैंसर का आर्टिकल वही पढ़ेगा ना जिसको ऑलरेडी कैंसर है, ठीक है, so you have to be little empathetic while writing this article, okay, always remember that. आप लोगों को ऐसा भी जॉब मिल सकता है दैट यू हैव टू राइट मेडिकल कंटेंट्स, ओके, फर्स्ट जब आप ज्वाइन करोगे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में, हेल्थ आईटी कंपनीज में, in those health IT companies I have written medical contents, okay, so in the medical content section, if you are writing medical content section, you have to know that some of the articles will be read by the patients who are actually suffering from the problem, so you have to be very much empathetic while writing those articles, okay. That's why when we write about some disease, we have to be little bit empathetic, or otherwise we can write about preventive care, which is most of the time safe, and also it gives what to say, a self of satisfaction to the person who wants to prevent themselves from particular disease, okay. यहाँ पे भी आप देखोगे तो प्रिवेंटिव केयर वाले आर्टिकल्स ही देखोगे, ये देखो, बेस्ट एंड वर्स्ट फूड्स फॉर liver and health, basically this is also preventive type of article, isn't it? How does alcohol affect your liver? This is also preventive type of article, because it is telling you the effect and asking you to stop that, or maybe just they will give you some information, okay. So an active surveillance of prostate cancer and overview. So surveillance means nothing but आपका पहला जो prevention और screening होगा, that is what is surveillance of prostate cancer. So most of the articles are actually preventive articles. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See how nicely they have written it, and they have also voice note over here. आप सुन भी सकते हो. So information is not limited. Everything is just on your fingertips, isn't it? Hyperlink भी दिया है for fatty liver disease, क्या चीज है, if you have to understand. So when you write article, you have to always remember that you have to put some hyperlink. If some word is being used which is not being understood by the person or by the patient, then you have to put hyperlinks for the particular article. So these are the small things which you have to notice and use it in your website. So next is use social media well. Now what are the social media platform, you know, tell me, and which can be beneficial for us as a hospital administrator to market our hospital in those social medias?
Facebook, Twitter.
Yeah, Facebook, Twitter बस.
YouTube also
Yeah,
nowadays.
and
Facebook is more active, ma'am.
huh?
More percent.
Sorry, Facebook.
Ma'am, Facebook is more active than others, ma'am.
Do you think Facebook is
Other
more active
apps.
than other this one? I तो never visited any kind of, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, कुछ भी मैं Facebook से तो मैं विजिट नहीं करती. लाइक किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को लेना होगा और किसी भी चीज का इंफॉर्मेशन
मैम
लेना,
स्पॉन्सर करते हैं वो लोग दूसरों का जानने के लिए, मैम स्पॉन्सर करते हैं.
sponsoring is okay, but do you think patients nowadays who are always looking for authentic information would be going to Facebook and trusting the things. Yes, they can promote it, they can promote the services, they can promote that this particular thing is happening in our organization today. जैसे कि कोई हेल्थ क्या बोलते हैं कैंप हो गया, तो उसका एडवर्टाइजमेंट आप फेसबुक में दे रहे हो, ठीक है। बट ऑथेंटिक इंफॉर्मेशन बेसिकली कहाँ पे रहेगा, आप लिंक्डइन में दोगे, ठीक है। समझ में आया, गॉट इट?
LinkedIn,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
feedback.
Yeah, LinkedIn,
LinkedIn.
you know LinkedIn or not?
No,
How
ma'am.
many of
We
know?
can't use.
How many of you
Don't
know
know, ma'am.
about LinkedIn and how many of you do not know?
मैम जॉब सर्च कर सकते हैं, मतलब रिज्यूमे सबमिट करके
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो वहाँ पे, मतलब रिज्यूमे अपलोड करना पड़ता है वहाँ पे, उसका
And
प्रोफाइल होता है, इंफॉर्मेशन देना पड़ता है।
who is that person who does not know anything about LinkedIn? कौन से ऐसे लोग हैं जिसको LinkedIn के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता? बताना।
मैम मुझे नहीं पता।
कौन है?
नहीं ma'am.
Noor Nahar. Being an hospital administrator, you have to be active in your LinkedIn account. Today itself, open a LinkedIn account, start making connection to get your job. 1 second, okay? I am just getting an important call. Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Yeah. So see, there is a message option also. Okay. So over here you can text to your what is that, connections. This is the portal where you can text your connections and keep a connection. uh, for example, if I say, if I want to get connected, for you see over here how many posts I have made, and how many people have actually seen that post, and my network, you can see my network also, like you can just get connected to many people, as many as people you want to get connected. So my connection is around 1577. Okay. So basically what happens is, with this particular page, you can sorry, this particular social media, you can reach a lot of network which is of your interest. And for availing job, you can just, when you make network, there is a chance that you, if there is a good opportunity, that person is going to refer you, isn't it? So it is very much necessary to build network in LinkedIn. Try to get as much as network in your domain. And also you can search jobs over here. If you want to search job, you can search job according to your like criteria. You can search according to your criteria. See, like this. So this particular what is that, social media is very important in doing a lot of things. Okay. So it is also one of the most professional network. You people have to have it. Got it? Got it.
Yes,
So now
ma'am.
Yeah.
let's
Yes,
Yes,
talk
ma'am.
ma'am.
about social media. We have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. are the virtual places where you can reach to the customers and create brand awareness about your particular what is that, about your services of your hospital. Okay. Appearing on social news feeds often will go a long way in keeping you mind of the users. That means if you are giving constantly feeds, there will be thousand people who would be seeing your feeds of your hospital, right? For example, if I post something in Instagram, or no, not in Instagram, in LinkedIn, I can see how many people have actually viewed the thing. That means that many people have actually got the information. Okay. So interesting post keep people interested, and people remember useful tips and their sources. So why now, if I go back to this LinkedIn account, now if I want to search about some particular hospital here, so this is STDM hospital. Okay. And they have also kept a thing that you can visit your website from here. So what are the posts they have actually kept over here? You can see the post they are doing. So basically यहाँ पे देखो, ये भी preventive posts ही है. Preventive, basically they are giving health educations. See, लिवर डे उसको प्रमोट कर रहा है, और उसका वो उन लोगों ने रखा है, they are promoting their doctors. World Hemophilia Day, wo bhi, these people are putting post so that people get to know that yes, these are the things we have to know, and our hospital is celebrating those day, or doing something on that, doing something extra on those days, like that. Okay. So basically your feeds will actually make your website, your what is that, social media account more active, and they will pull a lot of customers from outside. And Next is power of search engine optimization. Can you people tell me what is search engine optimization? सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन क्या है, आप मुझे बता सकते हो क्या? किसी को पता है?
No, ma'am.
ओके, सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन मीन्स नथिंग बट जब आप ओके, लेट मी जस्ट शो यू ओनली अच्छी तरीके से, सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. सबसे पहला हॉस्पिटल कौन सा आ रहा है?
नारायणा मैम.
या
हाँ,
सो
मैम.
नारायणा ने एसईओ करके रखा है, नारायणा ने सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन करके रखा हुआ है. उनके पास कंसल्टेंट है जो कि दे हैव डिड द सेटअप in their website that whenever you type such thing, whenever you type the best hospital in Guwahati, Narayana is only going to come on top. Okay, so for that you need to have a good search optimization team in your organization. And ऐसा नहीं है कि Narayana is best in our hospital. There can be other hospital also which is best in our